Welcome back, or welcome to the channel on today. Cue the intro. Welcome back, or welcome on this morning, this afternoon, tonight, whenever you're jumping on to watch this video. I appreciate you stopping by the Johnson Ranch one more time for a motivational and inspirational video. I am in full fall decorating mindset. So today's video is 2 quick but very beautiful DIYs. To all of my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by the ranch one more time. And always know it's one big hug from me to you. And I love you and I thank you for all of your support. If you're new here, welcome. But I said don't be a stranger. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. With that being said, let's get back to the video. So these pumpkins, I used them last year in my decor. But this year, I have a different color scheme. And instead of going out and purchasing all new pumpkins, let's just use a can of spray paint. But while we're talking about spray paint, hasn't spray paint gone up tremendously, doubled and tripled over the last 3 years? Anyway, I digress. But I'm using some Rust-Oleum cream colored spray paint. And this can is having a little issue. It's coming out splattering. For $5.96 Walmart, I need perfection from my spray. But anyway, we're going to work with it because it's giving it a textured look that almost resembles stone. So we'll go with that. Now I'm loving the way that it's looking, and I could stop here, but I think that I want to add a splash of gold. So I'm loving the way this is coming out so far. But of course, you'll have to stay tuned to see it in its final state in my upcoming fall decor series. DIY number 2. So I visited my local antique shop and found this vessel. It is oh so heavy. And it only cost me $4. Yay me! So I'm giving it a little cleaning, and of course I'm going to spray paint it as well. No, I didn't change the color, but I did intensify the hue. And I think this came out beautifully after only one pass of spray. Maybe I'll add a second, but oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. And hi there, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So one quick last look at my DIYs before you see them in my fall home decor. I absolutely love great and exciting new products, or products that maybe everyone hasn't heard of yet. So if your company is interested, please look in my description box below for my mailing address as well as my email address. I would love to review your products. Follow me on all of my social media. Twitter at Pastor J, the AKA. On Facebook, The Priceless Pearl Life. And on Instagram, you don't want to miss my reels, The Priceless Pearl Life. Join me tomorrow at 6:00 p.m. And again, this is The Priceless Pearl Life. Videos are Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I share my love of home decor, vlogs, shopping hauls, DIYs, and so much more. And until next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.